More information about Newsela. The entry point is from a Canvas course attached to PowerSchool. Click into the tab when the application opens up. It has a pretty good search engine, and you can search for pieces of expository text by content, by subject. Using the subject line, you can search by text levels, by reading skills you might want to target. From the collections, we looked a little bit at the social studies, 4th grade collection, all kinds of filters that you can apply to your search. When you find something that you want students to read, you can easily share it with the link by clicking the share button, and you can copy the link, you can drop it into Google Classroom, and you can use all these other features as well. You can also assign it to a classroom. You'll notice here that I created a classroom. I'm going to show you that here in just a minute. The beauty of assigning it to a classroom is you can put instructions to it. Do all 4 of the questions and prompt, and say writing prompt. You can adjust the level to whatever you want it to be. I don't see grade 4 in there, maybe because I already searched it by 4th grade. So I'll just lock that selection. And again, you can assign it to your class so that it's sitting waiting for them when they open up with the profile. The beauty of creating a classroom and assignments is that you can check your students' performance on the text that you assigned for them to read by clicking into the reading summary. You can see, let's see here, I don't have any students in my profile, but if I did, my students would be listed here, and you'd be able to see how they did on the different standards. If you assigned the power words, you'd be able to see that all that information is available here in this binder. Now, if you create a class, you want to click into that caret next to your initials, click Settings, and you can easily create a class by going into the Classes tab. And I did create a 4th grade class. When I created that class, it generated a class code as well as an email that students can click into a link so that they're added as a student to your class. So I hope that information was helpful and created more questions that we can talk about next time.